Hi students, welcome back to our session. Today's session we are going to discuss the exponents. We are going to continue the exercise 2b. Here we have the first main. We have here compute. They have given the first sub question 1 to the power 8 into 3 to the power 0 into 5 to the power 3 into 2 to the power 2. Now here listen carefully, this is very important rule. 1 power anything, okay, 1 power any number, the value it is going to be always it is 1. It may be 1 to the power 0 is equal to 1, 1 to the power 100 is equal to 1, 1 to the power, even if it is lakh, whatever it is the value, 1 to the power anything, the value it is going to be 1. Even you can write it as a 1 to the power of minus 2 is equal to 1. Now next we have discussed in that previous exercise, anything power 0, anything power 0, the value it is going to be 1. So this is a very important rule. 1 power any number, the value it is going to be 1. The second condition, anything power 0, the value it is going to be 1. So based on this we are going to solve the problems. Here we have 1 to the power 8. So 1 to the power 8 it is 1. 3 to the power 0 value it is going to be 1 into 5 to the power 3. So 5, the number itself multiplied by 3 times. 5 into 5 into 5 into we have here 2 square. It means 2 into 2. So 1 into 1, the value it is going to be 1 into 5 5s are 25, 25 into 5 125 into 2 2s are 4. Now 1 into anything, the value it will be 1. So 125 into 4, this we need to multiply. 4 5s are 20, 2 remainder, 4 2s are 8, 8 plus 2 it is 10, 0, remainder 1, 1 4 is 4, 5. So totally the answer it is going to be 500. Next we'll move to the next question. We have here the next question, the second question, 4 to the power 7 whole square into 4 to the power minus 3 whole power 4. So this we used to call it as power law. Okay, so in this law, the very important here, a to the power m whole power n. So it is nothing but a to the power m into n. So when you have a to the power m whole power n, so this powers we need to multiply. So here I am going to do the same thing. So just I will write here 4 to the power 7 into 2 I have done, into here we have 4 into minus 3 into 4. So the value is going to be 4 to the power 7 2s are 14 into 4 to the power minus 3 into 4 it is minus 12. So we got that value here. So again if you look at this, when you have bases are same, a to the power m into a to the power n, when bases are same, in between that numbers, when you find multiplication, then you have to add the powers, a power m plus n. So here also I am going to do the same thing. So I can write here it is 4 to the power 14. Here I will put plus minus 12. So I can write here 4 to the power 14 plus into minus it will be minus 12. So it is nothing but 4 to the power 14 minus 12, the value it is going to be 2. So 4 square it is nothing but 4 into 4, 4 4s are 16. So this value it is going to be 16. Next we'll move to the next question. Next question we have here, the third one question. Here we have first let me simplify the value. Okay, now let me simplify the value here. First we'll solve inside the bracket. So 2 to the power minus 9. If you look at this numbers, the bases are same here. So when bases are same, in between that numbers, when you find the division, the powers you need to subtract. So the first number minus of the second power. So I have done whole power 3. Now 2 to the power minus 9. So minus into minus it will become plus 11 whole power 3. So I can write here 2 to the power, the biggest value it is 11. So 11 minus 9 you will get here it is 2. The positive sign it belongs to the biggest number. So here also it will come the positive value. So 2 to the power 2 whole power 3. So here I can write the formula a power m whole power n is equal to a power m into n. So I can write here 2 to the power 2 into 3. So it is nothing but 2 to the power 6. Here the number itself multiplied by 6 times. 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. So I have written 6 times. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16, 16 2s are 32, 32 2s are 64. So the final answer it is going to be 64. When you have 2 to the power 6, you are not supposed to multiply like this. 2 into 6 is equal to 12. This it is completely wrong. So when you have see this part it is wrong. When you write the numbers like this, it will be wrong. Always you have to write the base itself power times. Okay, so here a to the power m divided by a to the power n. So when the bases are same, in between division the powers you have to subtract. A to the power m minus n. Okay, next we'll move to the next question. So here we have that next one. The fourth question we have here, 2 by 3 whole power minus 4 into 27 divided by 8 whole power minus 2. Just I want to give the hint here. When you have a to the power minus 1, so the power when you have negative, if you want to make it as a positive, just the base you have to take it as a reciprocal. So a it will become 1 by a, so that the power, the negative it will become positive power. When you have 2 by 3 whole power minus 2. So here just if you take the reciprocal of the base, so here 2 by 3, 2 by 3 it will become 3 by 2, so that the power you can write it in positive. When you have a to the power minus 2, okay, you take plus 2, a to the power plus 2. Now even if you make it as a reciprocal of the base term, so what will happen here? Now a you have right. So if I have taken 1 by a, the reciprocal of a, so the positive number it will become here it is negative. This is the logic what you have to learn. Now in this just I am going to make it as this negative powers as positive powers by taking the base as a reciprocal. So I can write here 3 by 2 whole power 4 into this negative. To make it as positive, 20 by 27 by 8. Now it has become 8 divided by 27 whole power 2. This negative now it has become positive. Now in this, here this power, it is common for numerator and as well as for the denominator. So I can write here 3 to the power divided by 2 to the power 4 into, again here if you look at this, this power, it is common for both, 8 square divided by 27 square. Now here we have 3 to the power 4 divided by 2 to the power 4 into this 8, I can make it as 2 to the power 3. So when you multiply 2 into 2 into 2, here 2 2s are 4. So 4 into 2, what you will get? This value, it is going to be 8. So 27, I can write it as 3 cube. 3 3s are 9, 9 3s are 27. So just I am going to replace the numbers here. The values of 8 is equal to 2 to the power 2 cube, here whole square divided by, here we have 3 to the power 3 whole square. Now just you have to let it be this term 3 to the power 4 divided by 2 to the power 4 into, now here we have a to the power m whole to the power n is equal to a to the power m into n. So I can write here 2 to the power 3 into 2 divided by 3 to the power 3 into 2. Now 3 to the power 4 divided by 2 to the power 4 into, here 2 to the power 2 3s are 6 divided by 3 to the power 6. Now if you look at this, the values, here we have 3 number itself by 4 times. So 3 into 3 into 3 into 3. Here we have 4 times, again 2, 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into, here 6 times, 2 into 2, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 times I have written here 2 divided by, next I will take 3 into 3 into 3 into 3, 1 2 3 4 5 6 times I have written. Now just I am going to cancel the terms. One time, here also it is one time, 3 3, and here it is 3, and here also it is 3. So totally 4 3, it is cancelled. 1 2, here 2 2 2, and here also 2. So the left over here 2 into 2 divided by 3 into 3. So the answer, it is 2 2s are 4, 3 3s are 9. So this is the final answer. Now we'll move to the next one. Here we have the next one, the value. Fifth sub question, 56 divided by 28 whole power 0 divided by 2 by 5 whole power 3 into 16 divided by 25. Okay, now here we know very well, anything the power 0, anything power 0, the value is going to be 1. So I can write here 56 divided by 28 whole power 0, the value is 1 divided by, next we have here 2 by 5 whole cube. Now let it be 2 by 5 whole cube. Now this, just I will write it as LCM form. So 2 8 2s are 16, 2 4 2s are 8, 2 2 2s are 4. So when your the numbers, when you are writing in the exponential form, the LCM, it helps us to write the numbers in the form of exponents. So here we have 2 to the power how many times? 1 2. Here we have this is 1 time, 2 time, 3, 4 times. So 2 to the power 4. Next 5 we have, right? So next we have here, it is 5. So 5 I can write it as 25 divided by if you take LCM for 25, you will get 5 5 is 25. So 5 to the power 2. Now if you look at this, here we have 2 to the power 4 and we have 5 to the power 2. Now I can write here 2 to the power 4 divided by 5 to the power 2. Now 1 divided by, here this 3 it is common for both numerator and denominator. 2 to the power 3, 5 to the power 3 into 2 to the power 4 divided by 5 to the power 2. We know very well, if the terms are getting cancelled numerator by denominator, we can cancel, or else what we will do, we have to just multiply numerator with numerator and denominator by denominator. So 2 cube into 2 power 4 whole divided by 5 cube into 5 square. So when you have the formula a power m into a power n, when bases are same, in between you have the multiplication sign, so the powers we can add m plus n. So here also we are doing the same thing. Here 2 to the power 3 plus 4 divided by, here we have 5 to the power 3 plus 2, 1 divided by, so here we have 2 to the power 7 divided by 5 to the power 5. So when you are writing that numbers, it will come like this. See here, I can write here 1. Instead of this division, I can make it as multiplication. So when you are changing this division into the multiplication, okay, what we need to do, just you have to take the reciprocal. So 2 to the power 7 divided by 5 to the power 5, the reciprocal, it will become, the reciprocal it will become 5 to the power 5 divided by 2 to the power 7. So I can write here 5 to the power of 5 divided by 2 to the power of 7. So 1 into anything, value is always same. Value is always same. So when you will take 1 into a, the value it is going to be a. Here also 1 into anything, the value it will be same. So I can write 5 to the power 5 divided by 2 to the power 7. Next we will move to the next question. So here the next one we have the sixth one, 12 to the power minus 2 into 3 to the power 3. Now here this 12 I can write it as, we have 12, right? So when you take 12 LCM, I can write it as 3 4s are 12. So here 3 into 4 whole power minus 2 into 3 power 3. Now here when you have a into b whole power m. Now listen carefully. The base you have multiples, but whole power we have. So this power it is common for both the bases. So I can write a power m into b power m. Same here also, the base we have in multiples. So this power it is common for each and every base. So I can write 3 to the power minus 2 into 4 to the power minus 2 into 3 to the power 3. Now the next, if you look at this, here we have 3 to the power minus 2 and 3 to the power 3. So bases are same. A power m into a power n is equal to, we can add the power a plus m, a power m plus n. So 3 power minus 2 plus 3 and into we have 4 to the power minus 2. So here 3 to the power minus 2 plus 3, it is 1. So to make this power as a positive, I will take the reciprocal 1 divided by 4, so that the power alone it will become positive. So I can write 3 into 1, the value it is 3, divided into 2, it is common for both, 1 power 2 it is 2, and 4 square, so 4 square it is 16. So 3 into 1 1 it will be 3, 4 square it is 16. So this is a final answer. Next we'll move to the next one. Here we have the next one value, it is the seventh one. We have here minus 5 whole power 4 into minus 5 whole power 6 divided by minus 5 whole power 9. So this is a question. Now if you look at this, all the bases are same. See, when you have in between this a to the power m into a to the power n, it will become this value, it is a to the power m plus n. So this concept we are going to use here. And when you use a minus 5 whole power 4 plus 6 divided by minus 5 whole power 9. So I can write minus 5 whole power 4 plus 6, it is 10, divided by minus 5 whole power 9. So if you look at this here, we have a to the power m divided by a to the power n is equal to a to the power m minus n. So I can write here, just we need to write the base. We need to write the base here, it is minus 5, and the powers we have to subtract. 10 minus 9, the value it is going to be 10 to the power 10 minus 9, the value it is 1. So minus 5 power 1, the value it is going to be minus 5. Next we'll move to the next question. The next question, here we have eighth one, minus 1 divided by 3 whole power 4 divided by minus 1 by 3 whole power 8 into minus 1 by 3 whole power 5. Now if you look at this, here we have all the bases are same, so I can write here the base, here this base value, and here the base, and here also the base. All the bases are same, but in see, when you look at this, the first one, here we have the first a power m divided by a power n, which gives us a to the power m minus n. So I will write only once the base, just I am going to subtract the powers. So for here I will get a minus 8. Let it be the first value, the power whatever we have. The second power we have to multiply with the minus. Okay, we have done. Next here we have into minus 1 divided by 3 whole power 5. So minus 1 by 3 whole power 4 minus 8, it is going to be minus 4 into minus 1 by 3 whole power 5. Now again if you look at this, it is in the form of a power m into a power n. So it is nothing but a to the power m plus n, because we have here multiplication sign, so we have to add the powers. This powers we need to add. Just I am going to write only once. Minus 1 by 3 whole power minus 4 plus 5. So the answer it is minus 1 by 3 whole power 1. So the answer it is minus 1 by 3. Okay, next we'll move to the next one. So the next question we have here, ninth one. 9 power 0 into 4 power minus 1 divided by 2 to the power minus 4. This is the question. Okay, we'll solve this problem. Anything power 0. Anything power 0, the value it is 1. So I can write here it is 1 into 4 inverse. To make it as a positive, I will write it as 1 by 4. So that the power here it will become positive, divided by 1 divided by 2 whole power 4. Now here we have 1 into this, it is 1 by 4, and divided by this 4, it is common for numerator and denominator, 1 to the power 4, 2 to the power 4. So I can write it as 1 into 1 by 4 divided by 1 power 4, the value it is 1. So I can write it as 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. So totally 4 times I have multiplied 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. Now 1 into 1 by 4, the value it is 1 by 4. Instead of this division, I have taken here multiplication. So this we have to change. We need to take the reciprocal. So here 1 by the values here it is become 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 divided by 1. So when you cancel the term, here we will get 1 2 is to 2 2s are 4. Again 1 2 is to 2 2s are 4. So the left over here 2 into 2, the value it is going to be 4. So this is the final answer. Next we'll move to the next one. So next one here we have next one we have 10th one, 625 whole power minus 3 divided by 4. So listen carefully. When you have your a fraction, sorry, this is not a fraction, it is a rational number. So when you have rational number in the power, what we need to do here, you have to take the base as LCM. So you take base as LCM and make it as exponential form. Then further you try to cancel the denominator power. Okay, so here 625, the unit digit is 5, so I will take 5. 1 5 is 5, left over here it is 1 12, 2 5s are 10, 5 5s are 25. 5 and here it is 2 5s are 10, remainder is 2, 25, 5 5s are 25. So 25, 5 to the power 5 5s are 25. So totally we have here 1 2 3 4. So 4 times 5 to the power 4. So this 625 I can write it as 5 to the power 4. So I will write, instead of this 625, I will write 5 to the power 4 whole power minus 3 divided by 4. So when you have here a to the power m whole power n is equal to a power m into n. So we are going to use this law. So 5 to the power 4 into minus 3 divided by 4. So in this case, here this 4 it will get cancelled. The leftover it is 5 to the power minus 3. To make it as this positive, I will take 1 divided by 5 whole power 3. So I can write it as 1 cube divided by 5 cube. So 5 cube value, it is 5 is 25. 25 into 5 it is 125. So 1 divided by 125. So this is the final answer. Next we'll move to the next one. Here we have the 11th question. 27 divided by 64 whole power minus 2 by 3. So here when you have that negative power, okay, to make it as a positive, what we need to do, we have to take the base as reciprocal. So I will write here 64 divided by 27 whole power 2 divided by 3. See, I didn't change the power as a reciprocal, just I have changed the sign of the power. See, this minus, now it has become plus after taking the reciprocal of the base. Now here I told very clearly, when you have the denominator here, the powers it is in the rational number, you try to convert the base as exponents. Okay, so here 64 I can write it as by taking LCM 4. Here 1 4 is 4, remainder it is 24, 6 4s are 24 and 4 4s are 16. So 64 I can write it as 4 to the power 3. Next I have 27. So this 27 also I can write it as 9 3s are 27 and here 3 3s are 9. So 27 is equal to 3 to the power 3. So here 64 I can write it as 4 cube and here we have this 27 I can write it as 3 cube whole power 2 by 3. So when you have the terms like a to the power m divided by b to the power m, so in this powers are same, okay, the bases are different, so powers you can take common. So I can write it as a by b whole power m. Same law I am going to apply here. So when you have here this powers are same, I can write it as 4 by 3 whole power 3. Okay, so this it is common for numerator and as well as for the denominator. Again we have whole power 2 by 3. So if you look at this it is in the form of a power m whole power n is equal to a to the power m into n. So I can write it as 4 by 3 whole power 3 into 2 by 3. Now here this 3 it will get cancelled. So 4 by 3 whole power 2. Now this power it is common for both numerator and as well as for the denominator. So I can write it as 4 square divided by 3 square. So it is nothing but 4 into 4 divided by 3 into 3. So the value we will get here, 4 4s are 16 and 3 3s are 9. So this it is in the improper fraction. So you can make it as a mixed fraction. So here the value it will be 1 time. 1 9s are 9. So left over here it is 7 as a remainder. So 7 by 9 is the answer. Next we will move to the next question. Here we have the next one. So the next question here it is the 12th one. One by 32 whole power minus 2 by 5. Okay, now I'm going to convert this negative power as positive power by taking the reciprocal of base. So 1 by 32, now it has become 32 power 2 by 5. So when you have here this rational numbers, okay, so you convert the values based on the denominator. So by taking LCM 32, I can write it as 2 to the 2 unit digit is 2, 1 2 is 2, left over here it is 1, it will become 12, 6 2s are 12, and 2 8 2s are 16, 2 4 2s are 8, 2 here it is 2 times, 1 2 3 4 5 times. So I can write it as 32, I can write it as 2 to the power 5. So I can write here 2 to the power 5 whole power 2 by 5. So now this is in the form of a to the power m whole power n is equal to a to the power m into n. So I can write here it is 2 to the power 5 into 2 by 5. So now this 5 it will get cancelled. So the leftover 2 to the power 2, 2 to the power 2, the value it is 4. Next we'll move to the next question. So the next question here it is the 13th one. One 25 whole power minus 2 by 3 divided by 8 power 2 by 3. Now look at this, we have here 125. First I will take the LCM 125. So I can write it as 5. 2 5s are 10, remainder it is 2. So 5 5s are 25, and here also 5 5s are 25 we will get. So 125 I can write it as 5 cube. Next I will take here the base, it is here also we have the rational number, so I will take base 8. So I can write it as 2, 4 2s are 8, 2 2, so 8 I can write it as 2 cube. Now if you look at this, instead of 125 I can write it as 5 cube whole power minus 2 by 3 divided by 8 I can write it as 2 cube whole power 2 by 3. Now a to the power m whole power n is equal to a to the power m into n. So I can write here it is 5 3 into minus 2 by 3 divide 2 cube into 2 by 3. Now here I can cancel the term, 3 3 it will get cancelled, left over 5 to the power minus 2, and 3 3 it will get cancelled, divided by 2 to the power 2. Now here to make this value as positive, I will take 1 by 5 whole square uh, divided by 2 2s are 4. Next we have here this 2, it is common for both, 1 square divided by 5 square divided by 4. and here this I can write 1 divided by 5 is 25. This, instead of this division, I can take it as multiplication, so that we have to change the uh, next term as a reciprocal. So 4 it will become 1 by 4. So 1 into 1 it will be 1. 25 into 4 it is 100. So this is the final answer. Now we'll move to the next one. So next we have here 14th one. 243 whole power 2 by 5 divided by 32 whole power minus 2 by 5. So this is what they have given. Now if you look at this, we have a rational number. I am going to take the LCM for the base. So 243, unit digit is 3, so I will take here it is 3. 8 3s are 24, 1 3 is 3, and here we have 2 3s are 6, or remainder it is 2. 21, 7 3s are 21. Here it is 3, 9 3s are 27, and here it is 3 3s are 9. So here 243 I can write it as 3 to the power 1 2 3 4 5. 3 to the power 5. Next 32 is there, right? So I will write here 32. So 32 I can write it as 2 1 2 is 2, 6 2s are 12, 2 8 2s are 16, 2 4 2s are 8, and here it is 2 2s are 4. So I can write 32 as 2 to the power 1 2 3 4 5. So 5 I can write. So 243 I can write it as 3 to the power 5. So 3 to the power 5 whole power 2 by 5 divided by, so 32 I can write it as 2 to the power 5. So 2 to the power 5 whole power minus 2 by 5. So in this, when you have here, you can cancel the terms, okay. So when you have, we have the rule a power m whole power n is equal to a to the power m into n. So both it is in multiplication. So when you have multiplication, this 5 5 it will get cancelled. Here also 5 5 it will get cancelled. So 3 square divided by 2 to the power minus 2. So 3 square value it is 9 divided by, here we have to make this as positive. So I will take 1 by 2 to the power 2. So 9 divided by 2 to the power 2 it is 4. So 9, instead of this division I will make it as multiplication, so that we have to take the next number as a reciprocal. We have to take reciprocal of the next number. 1 by 4 it will become 4. So the finally we got that answer here. 9 into 4 it is 36. So next we have here the 15th one. 3 to the minus 3 to the power 4 minus 4th root of 3 power 0 into minus 2 to the power 5 divided by 64 2 by 3. Now here just I want to give one rule. When you have a negative base, okay, for example minus a whole power n, okay, if n is odd, okay, when n is odd you will get a negative sign. I am talking about the sign. So here you will get negative sign. When you have negative base, power is even. Here power is even. So here you will get positive sign. So here I can write minus 3 whole power 4. So it is a even number. So when it is even means you will get the positive. So I can write 3 to the power 4 minus anything power 0. What is that value of anything power 0? Anything power 0 is always 1. So I can write it as 1 into here we have this, it is odd. So when it is odd means you will get the negative sign to the power 5. Okay, divided by, here we have rational number. So when you have rational number we have to take LCM. So 64, when you take here the base, the denominator here it is 3. So I can write it as multiples of a number with 3 times. So I will take here it is a 4. 1 4 is 4 and left over here it is 24. 6 4s are 24. 4 4s are 16. So 64 I can write it as 4 cube. So here 4 cube whole power 2 by 3. So in this condition when you have multiplication, so this it will get cancelled. So 3 to the power 4 minus 1 into minus, here it will be 2 to the power 5, it is 32. We have to write 2 to the power 5 is equal to 5 into 5 into 5 into 5. So I'm sorry, here we have to take 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. 5 times we need to take. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16, 16 2s are 32. And here divided by 4 square. Now here 3 power 4, it is nothing but we have to take 3 into 3 into 3 into 3. 3 3s are 9 and here also we have 3 3s are 9. 9 9s are, the answer it is 81. So 81 minus 1 into minus 32 divided by 4 square, the value it is going to be 16. So when you have the values like this, first we will take that division format. So 81 minus, let it be here minus 1. So first we will do this operation. Into we have here minus 32 divided by 16. 116 is 16. 2 16s are 32. So 81 minus 1 into minus 2. So here next we have to take the multiplication. So when you will take the multiplication, 81 here this minus into minus, it will become plus. 1 2s are 2. So here 81 plus 2, it is 83. So this is according to the BODMAS rule. I have simplified this problem. Here first we have division sign. So I have done the division. Next here it is multiplication. Then later on we got here it is plus. So this is the answer 83. Next we will move to the next question. Here we have the next one. The final question of this main 27 whole power 2 by 3 divided by 81 by 16 whole power minus 1 by 4 is equal to 3 power 3. Yeah, this is what they have given the question. So in this question we need to simplify now. So 27, here we have the rational number, so I will take LCM. 27 means 3 9 9 3s are 3 3s are. So 27 I can write it as 3 cube. Now you have here, see this 1 by 4, it is common for numerator and as well as for the denominator also. Now here 81 is right. So when you will take 81 LCM, what you will get? 3 table, 2 3s are 6 and 7 3s are 21. Next if you take 3, 9 3s are 27 and 3 3s are. So 81 I can write it as 3 to the power 4. Next 16 I can write it as 2 8 2s are 16, 2 4 2s are 8, 2 2s are 4. So 16 I can write it as 2 to the power 4. So just we are going to substitute these values like 27, 81 and here it is 16. So when you simplify, what we will get the answer here, it is instead of 27, 3 cube whole power 2 by 3 divided by, here we have 81. So 81 I can write it as 3 to the power 4. 16 I can write it as 2 to the power 4 whole power minus 1 by 4. So when you have the formula a to the power m whole power n is equal to a to the power m into n. So I can write it as 3 to the power 3 into 2 by 3. And here we have division. Next here I can take, when you have a to the power m divided by b to the power m, here the powers are same, the bases are different, so the powers you can take out, so common, like a by b whole power m. So I can write this powers common, so I can write 3 by 2 whole power 4 into, here it is minus 1 by 4. So in this condition, now I can cancel the term here, 3 3 3 it will get cancelled and here 4 4 it will get cancelled. The leftover 3 square divided by 3 by 2 whole power minus 1. So here 3 square it is 9 and division, so this to make it as positive I will take the reciprocal. 3 by 2 it has become 2 by 3 whole power 1. Now 9 instead of this division I am going to take it as multiplication, so that we have to take the reciprocal. We will get 3 by 2. So here the terms is not getting cancelled, so we have to multiply numerator by numerator. 9 3s are 27 divided by 2. So or we can write it as 2, how many times it is possible? When you take 16, 13 times. 13 2s are 26, 1 by 2. So this is a final question and this is the answer of this question. We have done the first mine.